In this problem, you have been given an equation and you have to solve for x. So the equation is x raised to the power 7 plus x cube, and this divided by x raised to the power 6 plus x raised to the power 4, and this is equals to 7 by 2. So now see, there are a lot of power of x, 7, 3, 6, 4. How will you solve this problem? One thing can be, you can cancel out some of the power of x. For example, you can take x cube common in the numerator and x cube common in the denominator. You can cancel. And once you cancel, then you can cross multiply. And then you can try to factorize. You can factorize, but factorizing is a little bit difficult. In this case, you may be able to factorize, but it is a difficult task. In this video, I will suggest a relatively simpler method. What I will do is, I will divide by x raised to the power 5 in the numerator and denominator. Why I am doing so, you will understand soon. So let us divide by x raised to the power 5 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. And this is equals to 7 by 2. So now what you have, you can write this is 1 by x square. No, this is x square plus 1 by x square, and this divided by x plus 1 by x is equals to 7 by 2. Now you can understand why I divided by 5. Because you have x square and you have 1 by x square. And you have x and you have 1 by x. Not only this, you can express numerator, that is x square plus 1 by x square, in terms of denominator, that is x plus 1 by x. So to understand that, let us first add plus 2 and minus 2. So I can add plus 2 and minus 2 in the numerator. So this is here. So I have x square plus 1 by x square. And let us add 2 and subtract 2. And then in the denominator you have x plus 1 by x, and this is equals to 7 by 2. Now see, this is what? This is written as x plus 1 by x whole square. Because x times 1 by x will be 1. So 2ab term will be simply 2. So this can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 divided by x plus 1 by x. This is equals to 7 by 2. Now I can make a substitution. Let us say t is equals to x plus 1 by x. You see, in the numerator as well as in the denominator, at both places you have x plus 1 by x. So if you use this t, so this becomes t square minus 2, and this divided by t is equals to 7 by 2. Now you multiply, cross multiply. So this becomes 2t square minus 4 is equals to 7t. Or we can rewrite, that is 2t square. Let us take 7t this side. 7t minus 4 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. I can find its solution either using factorization or you can use the formula. So now we can write this 2t square. So I need a number, two numbers whose product is minus 8 and sum is minus 7. So you see, the product is this and this. Product is minus 8 and sum is minus 7. So these two numbers can be minus 8t plus t minus 4 is equals to 0. So if I take 2t common, this will be t minus 4 and plus 1 common, so this will be t minus 4 and this is equals to 0. This means now I can say t minus 4 times 2t plus 1, this is equals to 0. So I can say there are two solutions. The first solution is t minus 4 equals to 0. Another solution will come from if 2t plus 1 is equals to 0. So these solutions are t is equals to 4, or you can have t is equals to minus 1 by 2. Because 2t plus 1 is equals to 0, this will give you t is equals to minus half. Now we will analyze these two cases separately, because we have assumed that we have made a substitution that t is equals to x plus 1 by x. So let us consider case 1. We will consider both cases separately. So if I consider case 1, that is t is equals to 4 and t is what? T is x plus 1 by x. So now I can say x plus 1 by x is equals to 4. This implies x square plus 1 is equals to 4. So from here I can say x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. And you may remember the roots of quadratic equation is given by this formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, a square root of this term divided by 2a. In this case, a is 1 and c is plus 1 and b is minus 4. So a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is 1. So if you use this formula, you can find the roots, and the roots will be, so let us say roots are x1 and x2. So x1 and x2 roots will be minus b, so minus minus plus, plus minus 4 square, that is 16 minus 4ac, so simply 4 divided by 2. So this is 4 plus minus root 12 by 2. So this will be, so this is 4 plus minus 2 root 2, 2 root 3. 2 root 3 divided by 2. So this is 2 plus minus root 3. So two possible value of x you will have. One is, so x1 is equals to 2 plus root 3 and x2 is equals to 2 minus root 3. So from this case you will have two solutions, and of course these two solutions are positive numbers. 2 minus root 3 is a positive number because root 3 is 1.732 and 2 plus root 3 is also a positive number. Now consider case 2. Now if you consider case 2, that is t is equals to minus half. This means x plus 1 by x is equals to minus half. Now let us discuss the domain or basically range of this problem. So basically domain. So what are the possible value of t? So let us say domain. So what is the possible value of t? Can it be negative? So let us try to see. Now we have assumed that this equation initially I have been given, that is this equation, numerator by denominator. Now if I have x is negative number, let us say if x is negative, let us consider if x is negative less than 0, then this term will be negative because x cube and x7 raised to the power. So this will be negative and this will be positive. So negative by positive, so this is negative, this is positive. Negative by positive will be negative, but this side we have a positive number. So this means x cannot be negative. So this means x is greater than 0. X cannot be negative. Now if x cannot be negative, then t is what? T is x plus 1 by x. If you remember this expression, that is t is equals to x plus 1 by x. If x cannot be negative, then t cannot be negative because this is x plus 1 by x. So t has to be greater than 0. So this means now I can say this case is not possible, because in this case you have t negative, but we need only positive value of t, that is t is greater than 0. X cannot be 0 also because this is 1 by x, and this is defined only if x is not equals to 0. So this means t cannot be 0, x cannot be 0 also. So for this problem we have only two solutions, and these two solutions are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.